Get the gates open! We've got wounded!
Shit! What the hell are they doing?
Come on, come on!
Oh my god. What happened?
What the hell?
What's going
Don't
on?
have time to explain.
Lee, are you okay?
Get him into the truck. I'll see what I can do.
Cat,
okay?
can you fix him?
Jesus, Ken.
Lee.
I don't know.
Lee! What the hell? You can't just be bringing new people here. What are you thinking?
Hey, you want to calm down for
Hij
a
werkt
fucking
zo,
minute?
dan.
Watch your
No,
mouth.
I don't. I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
I thought we could save his life. I'm the one that took his leg. That makes me responsible.
Well, that was a stupid thing to do.
We are not responsible for every struggling survivor we come across. We have to focus on our group, right here, right now.
Well, hang on. We haven't even talked to these people yet. Maybe they can be helpful.
Come on, Lily. These are people. People trying to survive just like us. We've got to stick together to survive.
The only reason you're here is because you had food. Enough for all of us. But that food is almost gone. We've got maybe a week's worth left. And I don't suppose you guys are carrying any groceries, are you?
No?
Fine, you guys fight it out then. Welcome to the family, kid.
Come over here and see what I drew.
What? No,
Just come on, okay?
You know, you like to think you're the leader of this little group, but we can make our own goddamn decisions. This isn't your own personal dictatorship.
Yes, Kenny, gib's
Oh,
ne.
come on. You're being dramatic. Everything always turns into a power struggle between you two. I'm not going to be a part of that.
Hey, I didn't ask to lead this group. Everyone was happy to have me distributing the food when
Ja,
there was
der
enough.
Kenny hat
around.
recht, man.
Now that it's running out, suddenly I'm a goddamn Nazi.
Kenny's right. Yeah, you're in charge of the food and the schedules, but you're not in charge of people's lives.
Really?
You weren't there. Lee made a choice. End of story.
Yes.
Look, once Katja patches that guy up, you can kick him out of here. Send them out on their own. I couldn't care less. But they at least deserve a fighting chance against the walkers. And for the record, Kenny wanted to leave those people behind.
If Kenny would pull his head out of his ass for 5 seconds, he'd realize that I make these decisions to protect his family. We simply don't have enough food.
I don't
So-
see any of you stepping up to make the hard decisions. My girl's got more balls than all of you combined.
Dad, please. Why don't you go help Mark with the wall?
Ja, du fette Schwarte, verpiss dich mit dem Fat-Ass. Hau ab.
You know what? If you think I'm doing such a shitty job, then you do it. That's all the food we have for today. You decide who gets to eat.
Lily,
No, I'm serious. Pick up that food and start handing it out. You see how it feels to not have enough food for everyone.
Jetzt müssen wir überlegen. Du hast nur 4 Nahrungsgegenstände für 10 hungrige Leute. 6 müssen also leiden. Also der fette Scheißvater kommt schon mal nichts über. Schau mich so geschissen an. Ich friss es selber. Nein. Also mal schauen. Ich glaube, der verreckt sowieso, also muss ich dem mal nichts geben. Der fette Vater kommt auch nichts über. Das heisst Fußball.
at least the kids have something to keep them occupied.
Will you hold the damn board steady?
I'm trying. I didn't realize I was getting this weak already.
What do you want? A handout? I got 60 cents in my pocket. If you'll shut up and quit being such a pansy.
Dem gebe ich nichts. Ihm könnte ich etwas geben.
How you doing, Clementine?
Okay.
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Bitch! Nein, warte. Sicher.
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I find it, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay, Clem. I've got to take care of some things. Why don't you go back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
Tag, der regt mich auf, der Wichser. Ich kann mit dem reden. Ja, sag mal etwas. Willst du was zu essen? Nein, wie geht es dir? Du bist ganz schön
You were
mutig.
pretty brave when we brought those people in here.
That's because I know Mom can fix him.
How
Geht's
you
dir?
doing, Duck?
I'm okay. Me and Clementine are coloring. Guess what it is?
I don't know. A dog?
Nope. Oh, I know. It's a goat, right? No.
Catch you later, Duck.
Bye, Lee.
Kenny Boy. Ah, du natürlich. Schläfst du noch schon besser? Ich vertelle Essen, was soll ich tun?
Lily has me handing out the food.
Ugh, that can't be an easy job.
It's not. I won't be able to feed everyone. What should I do?
Well, if you wanted to get in good with Lily, I'd make sure Larry gets some food, even though that guy can be a real dick sometimes. On the other hand, giving that food to Kenny and his family might make him remember you, if he decides to take off in that RV one day.
What about you? You need food too.
We all need food. I can't tell you what to do, but whatever happens, I know you'll be trying to do the right thing.
Gut, da kommst du nicht drüber. Mal überlegen. Und Kenny habe ich so etwas überlegen, weil er ist immer mein Boy, der ist immer auf meiner Seite. Schaut dir an, wie er ein Rohr pflegt.
Word's getting out that you want to leave the motor in.
That ain't no secret, Lee. It's probably our best bet.
I'm not sure that's the best idea.
You gave Glenn your blessing when he left. Just asking you respect my choice as well.
Yeah, but he was leaving to find his friends. Your family's right here.
Well, here isn't doing us any good. You should think about coming with us, you and Clem.
Das mit der Küssung, ja. Sicher kommen wir
This
mit.
does sound like a smart idea. Maybe that is the best thing.
I know that it is. I'm taking my family.
Kenny, du bist geiler Sieg. Du hast mir bis jetzt immer fast am meisten geholfen, glaube ich. Du kommst etwas über.
Want something to eat?
Halber Apfel, ein Stück Dörrfleisch, Cracker und Käse. Ja, du siehst schon, dass du könntest einen Cracker und Käse gebrauchen.
Take this.
How about my boy? He eat yet?
No.
Come talk to me once my boy's taken care of.
Gut, dann geben wir es halt deinem Boy. Wo ist der Boy? Da, du kommst nicht den Cracker und den Käse über.
How about a little food?
Du kommst einen halben Äpfel über, du.
Oh, heck yes. Is there peanut butter?
No.
What do you think, Duck?
No, probably not.
Schlaues Bübli, friss deinen Äpfel. So, jetzt kommt der Kenny etwas über, weil er geil Sieg ist.
Want something to eat?
Da, dein Cracker und dein Käse.
Take this.
How about my boy? He eat yet?
Yeah, I gave him something.
Sure, then hand it over. I'm starved, thanks.
Also die anderen haben es gesehen. Und dann gebe ich noch etwas der Clementine, weil sie ist my little girl, ich muss auf sie aufpassen. Der Rest ist mir eigentlich ziemlich schnutzpiepfurz egal. Ich glaube, das letzte Mal habe ich ihr nichts gegeben, ich habe selber etwas
Here, Clem,
gefressen.
you need something to eat.
Oh, ich habe zwei. Da, du kannst Dörrfleisch rüber.
Okay, a Sunday would be better next time.
I'll keep that in mind.
Gibt es letzte noch irgendwie?
Some of these people have gone longer than me without food. They're the ones that need it.
Ja, letztes Mal habe ich es selber gefressen, glaube ich. Ich gebe es der Frau.
Here, eat something.
Why don't you give it to Doc? I'm a little busy with your mess right now.
Is he gonna be okay?
I don't know. Can you give me a hand real quick?
Sicher.
What do you need?
Just apply some pressure here while I try to close this up.
Muss ich etwas
You
drücken?
know, I thought I was starting to get used to this, sewing up people's injuries. But I mean, cuts and bruises are one thing, but Lee, this man has no leg.
Ich habe das Richtige getan, das heute testen.
I did the right thing.
Yeah, I know you did. The right thing is just scary sometimes, I guess. Well, you've done all you can, Lee. Thanks for the help. Go ahead and check in on the others. I need a little space here anyway.
So willst du nichts fressen. Easy. Ich habe noch ein Cracker. Ja. Wem gebe ich das jetzt?
You're all I